Hi, my name's Becca. I'm here with Raptor Skins. Today I'm going to show you how to apply your vinyl to your brand new bead solo. So you're going to need a few things to start. You're going to need a heat gun or a hair dryer, your vinyl, and either a toothpick or a needle to help weed through the vinyl. So to start, you're going to want to weed out a couple of these small pieces. And there's only a few of them on the beads. There's also a couple round circle pieces that'll go here that you only need to weed 2 of them out of. There's 2 different options for you to choose from. You can either do either the B or it has the full circle around it. So now that we have those pieces out, I'm going to start with the side. So that will be right here on the beads. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the vinyl, just line it up with the top. And you're going to just press down throughout the center of it. And then push out either direction. And if you didn't get it quite perfect, you can either pull up on the vinyl and just readjust it. Okay. Line it up the same way as you did with the other side. From the very top, push down throughout the center of it, and then push out. Next, you're going to take the long piece, you're going to line it up, so that looks right. Take it all the way down so it's just touching the part that you just put on. Gently lay it along the bead. So you're able to get it perfectly aligned. And then start pushing out from the center. You may start seeing a little bubbles if you didn't get it quite laid on there. That's okay, that's what the hair dryer or the heat gun's for. You're just gonna hit where those bubbles are, heat it up a little bit. And then once that's warm, push out from the center again. All right, now that we have that done, on your sheet, there's a left and a right side. Let's go ahead and start with the right side because it might be a little bit tougher than the left. And from here, you're gonna place it and line up the openings with where they need to be. So start by doing that first and then worry about laying out the rest of the vinyl on your beads once you get that perfectly aligned. Push from the center first as you gently lay the vinyl down, and then we're going to push from the center to the outside once we get it placed where we'd like it. All right, once we get where we like it, go ahead and start pushing from the center out. Push out any types of bubbles that could be in there. Again, if there's any that you can't quite get, hit it with the heat gun or the hairdryer and just rework it out. What's nice about this vinyl is it's pretty forgiving if you make a mistake, so don't worry, you can fix it. It's just important that you don't pull the vinyl too hard because you may stretch it. So just place it on very gently. All right, let's take the left side. This is where you put the vinyl over the on button. Just readjust that. Isn't exactly how I wanted it. Okay. Very easy to readjust. But once it's on, it stays on. Good. Right there I had a big bubble, so I just need to re-lift it up and just realign it. There we go. Alright, same, push from the center. There I have a crease, so I'm just going to go ahead and lift that back up and lay it back down the way I want it. There we go. So push throughout the center and then push out. So that the other side's nice and secure. All right, now that we got all the hard parts done, we're gonna go ahead and just place the center on. So here you get to choose which one you want. I'm gonna choose the one with the circle. Leave that out. This one on first. You're going to want to align it with smaller circle indentation. There we go. Press outward from the center. And gently lift back up so I can realign that. Alright, and take the heat gun to get a few of those bubbles out. Look how easy that was. All right, perfect. Gotta get the other side. Again, I'm gonna take the heat gun or hairdryer. And just gently out. And there goes the bubbles. They're all gone. All right, I'm gonna check it over one last time. And it all looks good. All right, that is how you put your brand new Raptor skins on your Beats Solo Pro. Visit us online at raptorskins.com.